Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to apply for a Walmart credit card in 2025. If you're looking to score rewards on everyday shopping or build your credit, this guide is for you. Walmart's credit card has some cool perks, like cashback on purchases and special financing options, but applying is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Let's get started. First things first, check your eligibility. In 2025, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and a good to excellent credit score for the best approval chances. Walmart partners with Capital One for their cards, so head over to the Walmart website or app. Look for the Credit Cards section, it's usually right on the homepage. Once you're there, click on Apply Now. You'll be prompted to choose between the Walmart Rewards Card or the Walmart MasterCard, depending on your needs. Now, fill out the application form. You'll need to provide personal details like your full name, address, date of birth, and annual income. Don't forget to include your employment information and any existing credit accounts. This helps with the credit check. Next, Walmart will perform a soft credit pull initially, which won't affect your score, but if you proceed, a hard inquiry might happen. Make sure all your info is accurate to avoid delays. After submitting, you'll get an instant decision in many cases, or it might take a few minutes. If approved, your card will arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. A few tips for 2025. With new digital security measures, use a secure device and enable two-factor authentication if available. Also, read the fine print on interest rates and fees. Aim to pay off your balance monthly to maximize benefits. And remember, if you're denied, you can check your credit report for improvements. There you have it. Applying for a Walmart credit card is simple and can be done in under 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.